There's no shortage of GIF sharing services on the web today, but for our money, it's tough to beat Gfycat. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, browsing through Gfycat for the right GIF is intensely satisfying. And it also allows for GIF uploads and creation from all sorts of services. Of course, if you're more interested in saving a GIF for later use than creating one, Gfycat might seem like the wrong place to go. That's only true if you're new to the service, but if you know where to look and you're willing to take a few steps to get the GIF up and running, saving a GIF is super easy. Gfycat allows for instant downloads of their GIFs, but it's hidden behind a menu, and you'll have to be on desktop to do it. On the GIF you've selected, look for the Share menu located to the right of the GIF on desktop, and select the paper airplane icon. Click the Download GIF icon below the Share icons, then open either the large or small GIF URL in your browser. Just right-click and save the image to your hard drive to keep it stored on your PC. Of course, if this easy download step goes away, you aren't out of luck. You can still save GIFs on Gfycat as video files and then convert them later on. Head to Gfycat and find the GIF you want to save to your computer, then right-click on the GIF and select Save Video As. Gfycat allows you to save a GIF as a video file using a browser like Chrome, and the file plays back in any standard video player as an MP4 file. Of course, an MP4 file isn't a GIF, and that means you're going to have to convert your new video file back to a GIF. Thankfully, that's super easy to do. Head on over to EasyGIF.com, our source for super simple GIF conversion. Just upload your GIF on the Video to GIF tab, click Upload Video, and in seconds, you'll have a brand new GIF file that you can download and share to your heart's content. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering the web and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.